Welcome into the channel. This is part 2 of our curry shrimp and coconut rice recipe. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm first going to soak my shrimp in some lemon juice. Here is a list of all of the ingredients I'm using and a list of my seasonings that I'm using here. I'm seasoning my shrimp with some seafood seasoning. In my pot, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of coconut oil to fry my shrimp up. I'm letting my shrimp cook for about 1 minute on each side, and then I will remove it from the pot and set it to the side. I don't want to fully cook it just yet. I'm now scraping my pot, and I'm going to now add in another tablespoon of coconut oil, about 2 tablespoons of butter I'm adding, and I'm now going to use this to saute all of my vegetables. I have here my ginger and my garlic. And to it, I'm going to add in my vegetables and get everything sauteed in. These are my onions. Quick stir. I have my celery. I have my diced carrots. My red bell peppers. And my sugar snap peas. I'm going to let this simmer down a bit so that they can soften up a little bit. I've now added my tomato, and I'm going to let it simmer until it softens up. About here. Returning my sauteed vegetables back to my pot. And I'm going to go ahead now adding my potatoes in, my diced potatoes. I'm going to let this simmer a bit also. And now I'm going in with my seasoning. And as always, I'll add in a little bit, taste it, and see where I need to go as far as adding more or not. I'm adding in 1 cup of coconut milk. Going to stir that in. And half a cup of heavy cream I'm adding in. Bringing this to a boil. I've dropped the heat on it so that it can come to a simmer, and I'm now adding my shrimp. And I'm going to let this simmer until it thickens. And And we are just about done. There goes my bonnet pepper I'm adding in there for some extra flavor. And my cilantro. We can't forget about the cilantro. Alrighty, it looks like this has thickened up nicely, and this is what we have in the end. Alright, so we've made it to the end of this video, and I want to say thank you for hanging out with me. I certainly have enjoyed putting this recipe together, and I hope that you have enjoyed watching. So this is it. We're going to go ahead and end this video, and until next time, Yah willing, I will see you guys again soon. Everyone stay safe, take care, and shalom.